video mine. Since we do
YouTube?
We didn't do mine.
Fuck. I'm gonna start this shit already, cuz.
No, dinosaurs. You know, the only thing I videoed at MudBugz, oh, you weren't there. The only thing I videoed at MudBugz was Connor's truck getting sprayed by a first gen 12 valve Cummins two-wheel drive.
Okay.
Then got sprayed by the big fucking first gen.
Big rig. Fucking, you know what popped up in my memories? Going through my Snap memories the other day. If you want to get in the block blow,
Shut the fuck up.
if you want to get in the block, boys, don't say like and subscribe.
But that's not why you didn't get in, Colin. Trust me.
Fuck you.
I think he should get in right now. But
Yeah.
Colin.
Yeah. Maybe after I piss all over.
I know
my
why
car
he could
seats
get in
and
now.
so-
It ain't a fucking group no more.
pretty much.
Yeah, but yeah, you still got this sticker on your bike.
Yeah.
FN.
God damn it. Bro. Fucking fuck.
FN.
No.
It will have one.
No, the guy was telling me from Texas to like tri-state. They just redo it. Yeah.
Oh my.
But it comes
Holy
as a
fucking
duplicate.
shit.
I have one. For my reason. Yeah, but now you're the first one on it? Yeah, I'm the only name on it. Yeah.
It's just.
Is this a video?
Who this?
Fuck.
FN.
FN.
Fuck.
How many bleeps you gonna have in a row?
Fuck.
Your turn.
All right, back with another Gordon special. Fuck. Nothing there.
Sponsored by Miller Lite.
Oh, we got a new
Yeti?
sponsor.
New sponsor. New sponsor.
yes.
Used to be Michelob. What? Fuck what?
FN.
Nah, that's the Turbinator we bought to install.
The Turbinator?
Take out the Turbinator.
The Turbinator connected to the Earthinator and the Fricanator, Kevin's hand.
Yeah. What if she's all out? You gotta take that draw shaft off.
That's not gonna be fun.
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes of straight work, 2 hours of bullshit and beer.
Sounds about right.
That's all that was.
Yeah, but look, hey, she's all loose, man.
Rip the fucking thing out.
Don't break my draw
In the
shaft.
yard like what we do.
Well, you gotta figure out how to get that draw shaft on.
Sponsored? Sponsored? Please?
No, this is
These are expensive.
I want these guys to sponsor me, man.
T-boys?
No, Lils. On the test. If you ever been there, go. If not, fuck yourself. Baby killer.
Something's missing.
She gone.
What's missing?
I wonder if it's a transmission. Doesn't matter, man.
We have one. We do have a spare truck.
That's Alex's new weight. Jim God. Jim God.
I forgot the transporter port last night and split gears kind of fought me taking it out. So I got it all spread out right now. But she's out. Took a little finagling. And somebody's alcoholic around here. But fucking Jonah or Colin, fag ass. But I know for sure reverse chain's gotta get changed. Splines are destroyed here and the chain is laying around somewhere. And then definitely gonna change the turf mode. I get the turf mode delete kit. Not exactly sure which part of this shit that is, but I'm fixing to go lay this all out on a piece of plywood over there and get it all laid out, figure out what's what. And gotta take this out, which is just some little Allen heads, I think, that holds that bearing in to the case. And I'm gonna clean everything up with some brake cleaner later. And look at everything, make sure all the other gears are good, not messed up. All these little plungers and everything, or springs I should say. Wasn't too bad, to be honest. Only thing is a broken axle. So I have to pull that axle out and order me a new one. And I'll just put the one SuperAtv axle that I do have, which is over here. I'll put that one in, and then I'm gonna order one more new one I have 2 SuperAtv axles in the bridge. Hopefully nothing else is fucked up, none of the gears and whatnot, but we'll see. So I got the case right here, and you know, I wasn't about to take this shaft out to get to the snorkel gear because I thought it would have been fine, but I was like, hell, might as well. It's just 4 little bolts. So I'll pull it out. You can kind of see. It's fucked. Big fucked. So I need to order a snorkel gear and shit. So after trying to get this output shaft and pinion, I think that's the pinion gear, out, I realized hitting it, you know, with the screwdriver and them little holes, you gotta turn it counterclockwise. It's better to just get the fucking tool if I want to do that. But I'm actually thinking about, instead of rebuilding it and replacing the reverse chain, so I have to change this whole shaft. Definitely gotta change the seal here, the 2 axle seals, and then you also have to change, well, I'm going to change this whole fucking thing with the output shaft and whatnot. That's about $1,000. Reverse chain is about 400 or something like that. And then you have to change, what gear is it? I'm lost. Oh, you have to change that gear on this clump of gears because the chain's wider, obviously. So you have to take all these, you have to take both bearings off actually to get to all that. There's a bunch of needle bearings and shit inside of there. And then also I need to change the turf mode, or delete the turf mode, which means I have to just replace this, which is not a big deal. That puts me at like 2,200, 2,200 on SuperAtv, but a whole transmission already done. So you got the turf mode delete with the double reverse chain, and I can get a gear reduction of 12, 30 or 40 or 50 something percent. I'd probably get the 12, if not none at all, but that's 3,300. So basically a whole bunch of fucking headache and labor, save $1,000, spend an extra $1,000, and all I gotta do is just put the fucking trans in. So I'm thinking about just putting the fucking whole trans in, because it looks like a pain in the ass to put back together. So check my emails, see when SuperAtv is gonna have another sale. If I can get 15, 20% off, something like that, I'll probably snatch the trans up, to be honest. I mean, this piece of shit can just sit here for a month if I wanted to.